Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Friday, February 23rd. This is David, and tonight I want to share with you some upside targets here in the NASDAQ 100, and I am looking in here up towards this 18,512 area where we've got a voodoo fire line. Now, the voodoo fire line in and of itself would be enough reason to focus on that spot. However, in addition, if we come back in and measure from swing high to swing low of this most recent decline and measure targets upwards from there, notice that our two typical targets are going to be where the move up is 127.2% of the prior move down, and then again at 161.8%. So that 161.8% level gets us again right up to that fire line level. And of course, we also know that moves are often similar in size to prior moves in the same direction. So we can also come and measure this move right here, swing low to swing high, project that up from this week's low, and see that while this one doesn't get us quite all the way up to that that fire line, it does get us close. So even if you just wanted to treat this as an area, it is certainly a standout area right up there, 18, 5, 11, 5, 12. So the one thing that would have me recalculating new levels is if we came back down first, kind of below this low, then we would need to recalculate everything. And one of the reasons I'm considering that is simply the patterns in the S&P 500, which I'm getting ready to talk about in the premium video in just a minute, as well as some upside levels. So there is a possibility that we do come down before continuing up. And if we do that, while the fire line will still be an important level, the other levels might not coincide with it, and so we might need to do some recalculation. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update. Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.